All right, we're going to do a number talk today. Remember that our hand signals are over here on the side of the board, so you can show me without turning your voice on what you are thinking. Our number talk is 128 divided by 2. Lots of good thinking. Thank you for showing me your thinking. I see some of us have one strategy. I see some of us have more than one strategy. What answers do we have? What's your answer, friend? Oh. Answers first.
64.
Okay. Do we have any other answers? 64. Any other answers?
64.
Same thing. You have a different answer? You agree? Thank you for showing with your hands. So I see some agreement for 64. What strategies did we use to get 64? What strategies?
I had 3 different strategies. I'm not really sure. I did long division, so I did 128 divided by 2.
You could do that in your head? How did you do that in your head?
Well, I know that 2 can't go into 1, so I put a 0 there.
Okay.
And then subtracted 1 from 0, which is 1. And then
Okay.
2 could go into 12, 20, 12. 6 times.
Okay.
And so then I subtracted 12 minus 12. And it got 0. And then I brought down the 8. And I know 2 could go into 8. 2 could go into 8 4 times.
Okay. So 2 goes into 8. So if we have the standard algorithm, we can work that out. A lot of times we need paper and pencil to work that out. How else can we do it in our head? What other mental math strategies can we use?
I did one division with the key.
We can set up a box method. We could set up a box method. How else can we do this in our head? How else can we use a mental math strategy?
The add-on tracker is I checked it using 64 times 2.
Oh, so you had an answer that you checked in your head? Awesome. Tell me more how you did that.
I used multiplication standard algorithm.
Okay. Great vocab. Multiplication standard algorithm.
And then I did 4 times 2, which is 6. And 6 times 2, which is 12. And I got 4 times 2 is 8.
Nice job revising your answer. I see that you noticed a mistake, but you were able to go back and correct it. Is that what we started with? Awesome. Nice job. I love that you added on. And why did you choose to use multiplication to check division?
Because I don't want to say that we don't know how to do addition.
Well, we didn't want to add in our head, and multiplication and addition are the same thing. How are multiplication and division related? How are multiplication and division related?
They are related, words. They are related because they can use each other to check each other.
Mm-hmm.
They're related because if you were to start off, like for this example, if you were to start off with, if you do a division and you do 128 divided divided into 2, or 2 divided into 128, you know that your answer, like after you work it out, you know that your answer is 64. So if you just times that times 2, or add it up one more time, then
Do 64 plus 64.
then like you get the same answer that you started with.
Multiplication are the opposite of each other, right? They're called inverse operations. Inverse operations. What other mental math strategies could we use? What other strategies?
You could put 128 into groups of 2, like 2 groups.
You could make groups like this in your head? All the way up to 128?
You could also just keep adding 2.
Keep adding them. That's a lot of addition. I'm impressed if you can keep track of that in your head. That would be 64 groups of 2. What else can we do in our head?
What I did is who said that? I think it was Sindel. But I agree with Sindel, and after I did that, I checked my work by hold on. I checked my work by multiplication. Forgot my words for a second.
So you agree with this friend here?
Yes.
One more strategy. Are you raising your hand? Looks like you want to. You have a strategy? Go ahead.
I would put the 12 and the 8 and I divided it by 2.
Tell me more about that. I heard you say I divided the 12 and the 8 by 2.
So I divided 2 with 12 and I got 6.
Okay.
And then since it's 420 and you're looking above, I added the 0.
Ah.
And then I divided 2 by 8 and then I got 4 and then I added them.
So I heard you say when I break it apart, right? I broke it into place value parts. 120 is 60 plus 60. 8 is 4 plus 4. So we can get 64. Nice job, guys.
What I did is I took 8 and half of 8 is 4, so I kept 4 there. And then half of 20 is 10, so I added that to the 4. And then half of 100 is 50, so I added that and I got 64.
Awesome. So you broke apart our number, right? We decomposed it into hundreds, tens, and ones. 50 plus 10 plus 4 gave us 64. Nice job.